If you receive restricted stock or equity as part of your compensation, you might hear about an 83B election. Let's look at what that means. Named after Section 83B of the Internal Revenue Code, this is a special tax filing you send to the IRS within 30 days of receiving equity. The most important part is the timeline. You have exactly 30 days from your grant date to notify the IRS. Missing this window means you lose the opportunity. Investors file this to pay taxes on the current value of the stock today, rather than paying higher ordinary income taxes on its value when it eventually vests. Deciding whether to file an 83B election is a huge move for startup equity, so let's break down the risks and rewards of this strategy. If your company succeeds and the stock value rises significantly, an 83B election could lead to a much lower tax bill when you eventually sell. Remember, this is a gamble. If the company fails or the stock price drops, you have already paid taxes on a value that no longer exists. Because tax situations are unique, always talk to a CPA before filing. Subscribe for more money basics and follow for future updates.